Greetings, 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 greetings. Yes, it's me again, Mr. D to everything. Everything is power. I welcome you. I greet you. I hope you're well. Yes, 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 yes. This is the sixth day of the week. Yes, yes. A day of relaxable in my previous video. Yes, but Mr. D is busy. You see, I'm just cleaning up this car, this bucket. You see, this is what Mr. D do. This is what I do in my spare time. You see, I'm just cleaning up uh, vehicles on weekends. And yes, yes, if someone prefer me to do vehicles, yes, I do that. You can see, yes, inside this vehicle. Yes, 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 I clean it nice. Yes, yes, this is what Mr. D do. He do everything. Yes, clean it nice. You see, this is the door of the car. Inside as well. Don't clean your car always outside. You understand? Always outside. You just clean it. Always clean it inside as well. Especially on the dashboard. You see on the dashboard, you take your cloth and you dust all those dusty stuff. Yes, yes, you dust it off. Yes, yes, yes. From your dashboard in your car. Yes, of in your bucket, of in your vehicle. Yes, 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 yes. You see what I do? And just clean it really nicely, you understand, and I wash it nicely. Then after I washing it, you can see how does it look. I clean it nice. This bucky, I clean it nice. Yeah, any vehicle for me, for Mr. D can do everything. Yes, yes, because Mr. D was teaching himself. No one learned me, I teach myself. I was seeing what people do. Yes, 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 and I do trying to do the same. Sometimes when you see what people are do or learn, you must try to do it your best, the best of the better than them. Yes, yes. And this is what Mr. Dean. You see those rims there was really dirty inside. Inside your car, you can see inside your car under your wheel.